Welcome to the video. Today we are looking at a very unique and powerful luxury vehicle, the GMC Yukon Denali Stretch Limousine. This is not a regular factory SUV. It is a custom-built stretch limousine based on the GMC Yukon Denali or Denali XL, designed for luxury transport, VIP use, and special events. This vehicle is known for its massive road presence and premium feel. From the outside, it looks bold and intimidating, with a large chrome GMC grille, aggressive headlights, custom wheels, and an extended body that clearly separates it from a normal SUV. The stretch design adds extra doors and a much longer cabin, making it look more like a luxury limousine than a family vehicle. Under the hood, this GMC Yukon Denali limousine is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine. The engine capacity is approximately 6,200 cc, producing around 420 horsepower and strong torque that allows the vehicle to move smoothly despite its large size and added weight. The power delivery is smooth and confident, especially on highways, where the vehicle feels stable and comfortable. The drivetrain is usually rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, depending on the conversion and customer requirements. This vehicle is not built for speed racing, but its performance is strong enough to handle long-distance travel, city cruising, and luxury transport without any struggle. Fuel efficiency is not the main focus here. Being a V8 luxury limousine, it consumes more fuel than standard SUVs, but buyers choose this vehicle for comfort, power, and prestige rather than fuel savings. One of the biggest highlights of this stretch limousine is its capacity. Depending on the interior conversion, this vehicle can comfortably seat between 8 and 14 passengers. The seating layout is usually designed in a lounge style, with leather sofa seats placed facing each other, offering plenty of leg room and headroom for all passengers. The interior is where this vehicle truly stands out. Inside, it feels like a moving luxury lounge. Most conversions include premium leather upholstery, LED ambient lighting, large TV screens, a high-quality sound system, a minibar or refrigerator, charging ports, and privacy features. The lighting and interior design are usually customized to create a premium and relaxing atmosphere, especially during night drives. This type of vehicle is commonly used for weddings, celebrity transport, corporate events, luxury rental services, and VIP airport transfers. It offers privacy, comfort, and an elite experience that regular SUVs cannot match. Due to its extended length, the GMC Yukon Denali Stretch Limousine has an impressive road presence. Wherever it goes, it attracts attention and clearly represents luxury and status. Parking and tight city spaces require careful handling, but on open roads, it delivers a smooth and commanding drive. In terms of pricing, the base GMC Yukon Denali itself is a high-end SUV. After the stretch limousine conversion and luxury interior customization, the total cost can range from approximately $150,000 to over $250,000 US, depending on the level of customization and features installed. Overall, the GMC Yukon Denali Stretch Limousine is built for those who want power, space, and luxury combined into one bold vehicle. It is not meant for daily commuting, but for making a statement, traveling in comfort, and experiencing premium transportation at the highest level. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.